In our last lesson, we did a little bit of ajwaf. We did 3 verbs. What were they? Qala, kama, and zar. We tried to understand that the alif in the middle, something else is hidden behind alif. And how do we find it? We go to mudhariya and that thing will come out. So qala yakunu. Originally it was yakulu. It became yakun. So the vav is there. So in other words, qala is kawala. What is it? Kawala. Okay? One more Arabic grammar term. If the verb has vav or ya, what did I say? If the verb has vav or ya, whether fa kalima, ain kalima, or lam kalima, we say that verb is vavi. What will you say? That is verb is vavi. And if it is ya, what will you say? Yai. It's easy, brother. It's not difficult. So qala is ajwaf. What is qala? Is ajwaf, it's hollow. The weakness is in the middle. What will you call it? Qala ajwaf wavi. Are you with me? Ajwaf wavi. Why do you say wavi? Because there's a vav there. And when we say ba'a yabi'u, ajwaf yahi. So try to, because then when we do other things, we will always be saying wavi and yahi. It's simple, more interesting. Now kana. What is in the middle, brother? Is how do you know? Because yakunu. Kana yakunu. So it is wavi. Is it correct? Fine. Kana. What was originally? No, kavana is the root. Kaf, vav, nun is the root. But yakvunu. What was the original? Yakvunu. Nasara yan suru. So yakvunu. Yakvunu changed into yakunu. Yakunu. We are not going in detail how it changed. Yakunu is good enough for us. We can go forward with yakunu. Brothers and sisters, what happens when the ajwaf is vav nasara? What will happen? Kana, kanu, kanat, kanata, kunna. Why did you say kun? Because it is vav nasara. That's important. You say ku, not ki. Never say ka. It will either be ku or ki, depending. So kunna. Are you with me? Then kunna, kunta, kuntuma, kuntum, kunti, kuntuma, kuntumna, kuntu, kunna. Are you with me? Easy, brother. Easy. Alhamdulillah. Yakunu, yakunani, yakununa, takunu, takunani, yakunna, mashallah, yakunna. Again, takunu, takunani, takununa, takunina, takunani, takunna. Akunu, nakun. Tell me, is it difficult, brother? No, it's not difficult. And it's fun. It's joy to do all these conjugations, Alhamdulillah. Very common verb. It comes in the Quran all the time. So if I say to you, brothers and sisters, takunu. How do I make amar? Oh, how did you do that? Because you cross this, and then you put a sukoon there. We already have a sukoon, so this cannot be. See, we are now doing surgery here. We are doing surgery here, and what is the result? Kun. Just like kul. Okay. Now I want to do a little more. It is coming in the next lesson, but I would like to do because you are very sharp. Now, for singular, it's kun. How about dual? Kunna. But brother, in kunna, the vav will come. You just cannot say kuna. It has to be kuna. And then what will be the next one? Kunur. All these things are in the Quran. Yeah? And then kuni, kuni. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to the fire, it is kuni bardan. Right, brother and sister. So remember, it's only in the singular, it's kun. But then the vav is coming, and it will be same in the kul. Why the vav is coming? Because the verb is taku nani. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? The verb is taku nani. How do I make it amar? Wow. So it remains kun. But many students make a mistake and write down this. Now, there is a vav there. Are you with me? Okay, you will keep that in mind, inshallah. Kuna. Kun, fi'lu amrin, mabniun ala sukun. Kuna, fi'lu amrin, mabniun ala arifinu. Keep that in mind. You know it. You know it. Okay. So we can easily conjugate, brothers and sisters. Now, kana is a nakis verb, as we have been studying. This is not the first time it's coming across. We have already studied. Kana means he was. Is the meaning complete? No. He was. Is the meaning complete? No. What was he? We need something else to complete the sense. So that something else, brother and sister, we bring the predicate, we bring the khabar. So kana is a fi'l, but it is nakis. Means it is incomplete. Nakis means incomplete. Okay. And if it is incomplete, then it won't have file. This is very important to remember. Kana or any other verb which is nakis, it will not have file. It will not have file, but it will have ism and khabar. Khabar. Further, this is very important lesson and very interesting lesson. And it comes in the Quran on every page, in every ayah. Fine. Now, brothers and sisters, if it has a khabar, then what do we know about khabar? It can be mufrad, it can be shubu jumla, or it can be jumla. Are you with me? So these things that we have studied in the past, we will keep it in front when we talk about kana, inshallah. So brothers and sisters, this is what you have to understand. And there are a couple of very important things I will tell you about kana. Okay. One of that thing is, brothers and sisters, kana means he was. But when you use kana for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when in Quran kana is mentioned for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it does not mean he was. It means he was, he is, he will be. So when it comes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, brothers and sisters, kana express eternal truth. Write down this. Kana expresses eternal truth. Hold on. So eternal truth in reference to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we say Kana tawwaban, He was most forgiving. He is and He will be. In that case, it is not was. Always. Okay, brothers and sisters, I will write down 2 sentences regarding the eternal truth. I will write down 2 sentences. Are you with me? Kana al-insanu ajulan. He was, he is, he will always be. So this is the meaning of eternal truth. Kana Allahu ghafuran rahiman. He was, he is, he will be. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Keep that in mind. Because otherwise, you will always be wondering, Kana means was. Was Allah before and He is no longer? No, He is there till the end of the time. Okay. Hasty. We want everything quickly, brother. Haste, ajulan. These are the verses from Quran.